This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Randy Neuman. Completely remodeled screened-in pool home with a large back-covered patio. This home is a 3-bedroom and 2-bath with 2-car garage with laundry room. There is tile throughout the home, new hot water heater, new AC, new kitchen cabinets and countertops and updated bathrooms. Pool and lawn maintenance is included in the rent. FRIST, last, security deposit required to move in. Owner will consider pets on a case-by-case basis with a non-refundable pet fee. For more information, review the details below or contact Randy Neuman at 321-308-3268.